Hi, I'm Brett from Rolla-wipa. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your roller using a roller wiper. It's fast, it's easy, it's quick, and you'll save a lot of paint and a lot of water. Whether you're a professional painter or a DIYer, you're going to need a roller wiper. When you've finished painting, use your roller wiper to remove the excess paint from your rollers. This will make it easier to clean. Hold the roller by the handle and place it in the tray. Then use your roller wiper to squeeze any remaining paint out of the roller. You'll be surprised how much paint is in there. Keep going until no more paint comes out of the sleeve. Then you can pop the excess paint back into your tin. Then I like to add water to the tray and leave for 5 minutes, or even overnight if you prefer. The amount of water used and the time it takes to clean will be less if you allow the roller a chance to soak for a bit. Then get your roller wiper and use it again to remove the excess paint and water from your roller. Keep going until it's looking good. So much better than using a putty knife that will damage your rollers and make a mess on your hands. Then go ahead and get the last bits out with the hose until it's clean and fluffy. Leave your roller to dry by standing it vertically or hanging it on your line. This will save you having to replace your rollers every time you paint and keep them out of landfill. Thank you for watching and happy painting!